This water is only around about a meter deep. Very shallow. Super shallow, this water. Rocks. That was like 300 mil. What's up, guys? And welcome to today's vlog. Finally a beautiful day here in Don Det, and today we got a full day touring, a full day kayak touring around the islands here.
Be careful. I'm left side. Follow me, come to left side.
Perfect day to be doing this. What was your name again? Bunsong. His name is Bunsong. He only started here in November with his kayaking and is only 19 years old. I feel like an old moaf. It's lucky I'm with a guide because 2 boats have already capsized through those little rapids. This water is only around about a meter deep. Very shallow. Super shallow, this water. Rocks. That was like 300 mil. So if you hit a rock, your boat's gonna go over. Down the rapids we go. You're the master steerer. High season, wet season, very high.
Yeah, very high.
How high up there?
High over there.
So nothing here, water.
Yeah. We can go easy. Very big hole.
We made it.
Nice.
Be careful in front down here.
When it's wet season, this river is a couple of meters higher, so it fills up this whole river. So there's nothing in the middle there, and this water's deep and you just fly through it.
Board shorts.
No? Or even swimmers?
Yeah, under the
I wonder where we're going now.
Waterfall.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
I'm just dead. I don't want to row anymore. Sitting in the back's hard.
Yeah, because you're the one steering. Yeah. And what was your name again?
Anna.
Anna? George.
Nice
Good to
to
meet
meet
you. So Anna is actually the first person that I met from Sydney. Well, even from Australia. I have not met anyone from Australia, let alone Sydney. So you're the first.
There's Aussies everywhere.
I know, but I just haven't met them.
They're all in Bang Bang and a few Melbourneites.
Melbourneites, that's the first. It's Melbournians.
Oh, is that?
Yeah,
Okay,
Melbournians.
edit that bit out.
Like seen him, or you've seen him on you?
Not on me.
Oh, but people.
Swimming next to me.
Really? I have never seen that. I've never seen leeches. 5'4" and I need to use my hands. My camera is screwed. First stop done, and now we're off to our second waterfall. So the Mekong is all the way up there in high season. Yeah. And this level is about middle. And then when it's low, you can't, big stones there. You can't come here by boat. So it's still a bit of water. What's this? So it's still 1.5 meter. Oh, you walk across. Oh yeah.
Easy for the children to go to school in Don Con.
Oh yeah.
But this island no have school.
Hello. Look how deep this water gets. From here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps. And this is the end of Don Con Island, right at the tip. And over there is apparently Cambodia. So we are right on the river part with the border to Cambodia. This is probably the best lunch that I've got in the tour so far. Barbecue bread, rice and egg, pretty good. We have now made our next stop to see some dolphin watching. We have now made our next stop to see some dolphins. Now there's only a 50-50 chance they're out every day, but today they are out, so hopefully I can get them. In the middle.
Oh, he's swimming again.
Oh, there. There he is. There. See that? There. There it is. Yeah, that was a good one. Oh, there. Okay, we catch up. See, more power here. So guys, after a bit of a break and watching the dolphins, we're back now on the canoes. Kayak, it's a kayak. So after watching the dolphins and having a bit of a break, we're now back on the kayaks and we're heading away to the big waterfall. KHONE PHAPHENG waterfall. This kayaking, it's actually a bit of a physical exercise. We've gone all that way, like the last kayak you can't even see. We've been kayaking for a solid 20 minutes now and we probably have another 15 minutes to go. So just imagine, you know, a bit over 30 minutes of just straight kayaking. We came from all the way last and smashed it down the middle and now we're leading the pack. But if you're traveling on your own and you're a girl, pair yourself up with a guy because you'll need it. I'm tired myself, and if you're a guy, don't pair yourself up with a chick. You'll just be doing all the work. Except of course if you're with your girlfriend, then you really have no choice. But it's good physical exercise. These guys are having a lot of fun. Good fun. Yeah. See, the boys are leading the pack. Us two. Everyone else is all the way back there. But it is good exercise. I haven't done anything in terms of weights or, you know, good exercise for the last month except for a bit of running and core workouts. So it's good to burn the muscles a little bit. So I'm actually quite enjoying this. They saved the sacred tree. So guys, after a whole day of trekking and kayaking, we have finally made it to KHONE PHAPHENG waterfall. Now this thing is like the main thing to do today with the kayaking tour, and it's a pretty big waterfall. So this waterfall you can bike here by yourself?
I can go, but today I don't know.
So if you don't feel like doing the kayak and you just want to see this waterfall, it is possible to get here just by biking. So it's a bit less of a mission, it's not as physical, so it is possible, but just keep in mind there is a 55,000 kip fee to enter the park. A little bit more expensive than the one yesterday. Yesterday was 35,000, but this one on the ticket, 55,000. That's about $7 American dollars or something, so about 10 Australian dollars. What month most people, a lot of people, like lots of tourists?
November to May.
Around Christmas or something?
Yeah, Christmas also.
Right now, not many people.
Now not many people.
Oh, okay.
But last year many.
Now this waterfall is definitely worth the trek. head a little bit more that way and get right up to it. So guys, this is it. This is the money view. This is what you spend the whole day. If you go to Don Det and do the day tour, this is where you end up, and the views are definitely worth it. Whatever is showing on the screen does not do it justice. You need to be here to see this. Spectacular waterfall. Just the sheer size of it, the water going through it, the energy that it's putting out, it's just crazy. And this is like nearly low season. Imagine the size of this thing and how much water when it starts building up. Oh my god, I am so wrecked right now. We finally made it back. We had one more kayaking session after the waterfall, so that just took the rest out of me. So I'm just gonna have dinner now, charge up a little bit, go for a nap. I'm gonna make my way out of this island tomorrow, go to Pakse. So another new place for me to set up camp. So if you guys are anywhere south of Laos, definitely visit Don Det. It's worth a couple of days. Do the day trip and check out that waterfall. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Nice. Oh, this is what we need. This is exactly what we need. Kubbi's so red.